In today's video, we're going to try something a little different. We're going to try and eliminate the hood rod for the bonnet and fit some gas struts to make life a whole lot easier. Just to explain, ever since I've put the bonnet back on the car with the hood scoop on, it's rather heavy for an old man like myself. So I've bought some struts and I'm going to try and fit them and get rid of that bonnet rod. Now my rod latch that goes in the car here is broken. There's a couple of tangs that go underneath there and they're broken, so it doesn't really stay in too well when you go to pull it out of the rubber here. It wants to lift up there and it's just annoying, so not happy with that. So I've got some struts, and what I believe is it replaces one of the guard bolts and one of the bonnet bolts. Let's see how it works. First up, I'll get so it's going to be probably that bolt there, and then on that, the bonnet will probably end up opening a little more, which I guess is always a good thing. And then it also comes with the hardware here. Off the top of my head, I don't know if they're different size or not, but they bolt in and then you just pop the ends of the strut on that. Let's get into it. First issue found is you have to get this off. That's what holds all the top of the guard bolts on. You have to get that off because the hole in that is not big enough to fit the thing. It does come with nuts for the other side, so I will put now I will put in one with a nut and see how we go. Now that that one's in and that one's in, I might button up the other side and then we'll put the struts on. Driver's side is now done, but that was not easy, having the washer bottle there and all the EFI relays I've got hidden under here, and that's exactly where that wanted to go. But that's in. Let's put the first strut on and see. I will leave the hood prop in place and let's just see what's going to happen, eh? I think I might start with this one and then I'll go to the bottom one. So it should just push on like that. Now jumping to the other side, I'm going to do that one as well. Just quickly before I go any further, the reason why I put the top ones in first is because I don't know how it's going to react with one strut and a bonnet rod. This way I can get that one on, quickly run around the other side, get the other one on and just see what happens. Let's do it. All right, this one, I'm probably going to have to lift the bonnet a touch to be able to get it in. So just move that hood rod out of the way, lift up the bonnet, and hopefully that goes on like that. Righto, I didn't put the hood rod up, I just lent the bonnet on my head. If I just pop that one in, like so. There we have it. The good news is the bonnet stays up by itself, but can I close it? Oh, look at that. It closes. Will it open? Oh, look at that. Sensational. Would you have a go at that? That is so much better than that hood rod. I can recommend doing this. That is going to save a lot of time and effort opening and closing that. Closes nicely, lifts nicely, holds there. Perfection. All right guys, just a quick video for this time because I am secretly working on those doors to get them done, to get it back on the car. So just a quick one to get through for another week. I hope some people can get something out of that, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.